Hello everyone, my name is Tazeen and I'm basically from Belgaum. I completed my BSC in Computer Science from JSS College, Belgaum. I joined Jspiders for Java Full Stack Development in the month of December 2022. I completed Java, SQL and Web Technology. Java was taken by Rahul sir, Anupama ma'am and Akshay sir. Web Technology was taken by Shiraz sir and React.js was taken by Subramani sir. SQL was taken by Navya ma'am. I thank all the faculties for teaching me the subjects thoroughly so that I can implement the knowledge in real world projects also. I am thankful for Jspiders for providing me the grooming sessions and presentations also, where I gained a lot of knowledge that helped me for the interviews. Then I thank the HRs for adding me to the interviews. That's it. I thank Jspiders Hebbal.